A right prism is a solid formed by two parallel and congruent polygons called the bases. Here are two parallel and congruent polygons. In particular, these are rectangles. These are what we call the bases of the shape I'm about to complete. This shape is a right prism. It's a three-dimensional shape whose bases are those green panels that I've colored. Rectangular lateral faces are perpendicular to the bases. So if the bases are the green parts, then the orange side walls all around are the lateral faces. So it includes everything except for the top and the bottom, which we said were the bases. Here are all the parts of a right prism. The edges are the lines that make up the shape. An enclosed shape, enclosed by the edges, is called a face. This particular face is a lateral face because it belongs to the side and not to the bases. These green parts are the bases. The blue dot is a vertex. It's where the edges meet. When two or more edges meet at a place, that point is called a vertex. Polygons are named depending on their bases. For example, this is a triangle. So this is a triangular-based prism. This is a pentagon. So this is a pentagonal-based prism. And this is an octagon. So this is an octagonal-based prism. The net of a polygon is what happens when you unfold a 3D shape. When you unfold a 3D shape, it turns into a two-dimensional pattern, and we call that the net. So if I have this box, and I've put a blue dot at the top of this box, this will become the net you see to the right. The blue dot represents the top part of the box. We call this the net of the prism. Here's another example of a net. This is a triangular-based prism. I put a blue dot on the bottom rectangle, and when I open this up, here's what it looks like.